That'll do. I got my cedar. Damn, it was hot in there. So I just bought my cedar. I spent about 257 bucks. I probably will need more because I'm not the best at calculating linear board feet. I found a really good price on cedar, I think. I called around to numerous places, and the local hardware store here, the local lumber yard rather, here in Ashland, had it for $1.43 per linear foot. So that's where I bought it. I'm getting really excited because all the shitty work has already been done, and it's about to get real exciting as we near the finish line. And I can see the finish in a distance, but I'm still a little bit reluctant to just be like, oh, it's done, because I still need to do the lights and I need to do the insulation and everything needs to fall together. That being said, the finish line is just over there and I'm heading there fast. Yeah, this is a very exciting time. You guys, I'm about to have a sauna trailer. My friends are about to have a sauna trailer. And next time in Washington that it gets rainy and dreary, it'll be a little less dreary because we'll be able to get warm in a hot room and take cold plunges wherever the heck we please. That's just a dream come true. There she is. Here's a progress report. So yesterday, we made these things.
Where do I begin?
And Willie is a beast. He's a master of his craft.
Oh, come on.
I couldn't have done it without him because look at this thing. I expected that they would be like all haphazardly stapled, but I should have known better. And as a result, we got these beautiful ribs that not only are gonna support the cedar and help us insulate the walls, but they actually made the roof stronger. So then from there, we made ribs all the way down. I reckon today we're gonna make a floor that's gonna go on top of the subfloor, which is this. And look at these king studs for a doorway. And that's how the cookie crumbles, just like that.
Jesus. Okay. Well, this stuff is tight. All this is going to get covered. There's no big science to this.
everything's remote controlled. Oh, snap.
And then our next pieces obviously will come down,
Yeah.
make that whole cover.
And then the benches will go over that, so.
And the benches are going over that.
Sick.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Hey, dude, we got a floor.
We got a floor. Woo!